We are all looking for reliable ways to make money online. There are many strategies out there, but in today's video, I'm going to share with you a simple method that you can use to make money online. You don't have to invest any money, and there is no need to have a big social media account with thousands of followers. As usual, I'm going to share with you the step-by-step process on how to make money online using this method. On top of that, I'll share some exclusive tips and tricks that will allow you to double up your earnings and turn this strategy into a passive income machine. So make sure to watch until the end to learn anything you need. Other than that, I will show you how much money people are making and how you can start your journey into making money online. That sounds cool, right? Let's go to Fiverr.com. For those who are not familiar with this website, this is one of the largest service marketplaces on the internet. You can get any online service you can think of. You use it as a customer if you're looking for someone to help you design a logo, brochure, or make a promotion video. No worries, we are not buying anything today, as I promised you that this strategy doesn't need any money investment. Well, I know many of you dislike this platform as it's so competitive, and it's not easy to get an order with a brand new account. So I want you to keep watching, because I will give you different alternatives to Fiverr that don't have nearly as much competition, and you can get an order way faster. The best part about the strategy that I'm gonna share with you today is the fact that you only need to do some drag and drop. You don't need any rocket science or long years of experience. Even your little brother or sister can do it. So why not you? With that said, we will be focusing on one particular job today, and that is none other than photo retouching. We all play with filters on our smartphones to improve the quality of our selfies. But can we sell that service? Well, the answer is yes, and I will teach you how to make money retouching photos. So, let's look at some examples. Many sellers are offering this service on Fiverr. They do that online using an exclusive website, which I will reveal in a bit. So if we search the keyword photo retouching, we can see plenty of people who are crushing it here. For example, this person is offering this service and has already received over 850 reviews, with 3 different pricing options, which are basic, standard, and premium. The cheapest option here costs $5, and if we do some maths, this person has made at least $4,200, and all he has to do is a 3-minute work. And let me tell you that many buyers on Fiverr don't leave a review, which means that this person has made more cash thanks to the strategy that I'm gonna reveal entirely in this video. I hope they won't hate me for that. Before we continue, if this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. We spend a lot of time looking for the best strategies that you can use to start making money online. If you enjoy these topics, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. It means the world to us. Well, first let me show you where you can sell this service and start making money retouching photos. I strongly advise you to make your service available on Fiverr. I know you might be worried about the competition, but you can always offer some extra free service that will convince people to pick your offer over the other ones. I will show you later something you can give away for free to overcome the competition. To sell a service on Fiverr, you need to sign up first. I won't go through the steps as they are straightforward. Once connected, you can click on Gig in the upper menu. Then click on Create a new gig. You need to give your gig a title, description, and tags. Make sure to use the right keywords to win the search engine game. Once your gig is approved, You can wait for an order or ask your friend to purchase your service and give you a positive review to give you some social proof. So before I reveal the website, which will do the entire work on your behalf, I will share a less competitive platform where you can provide your service for free. The platform is called quickengigs.com. I always make spelling issues when I am typing their URL, so you might want to Google them instead. Quicken Gigs is an online freelance services marketplace for businesses and individuals who are searching for freelance services online. This is a comparable platform to Fiverr.com, but it's not that popular yet, so it's your chance to be among the first people to offer the photo retouching service on this platform. To get started, you need to hit on Register in the upper right corner. You can enter in your basic information to create your account or sign up using Facebook, Google, or Yahoo. Once connected, it's time to create a gig. Well, to do so, hover your mouse over your logo in the upper right corner. Click on Jobs. Then on Post New. You will be taken to this page where you need to write in your gig title, enter the price, select the category, add something in the description and tag section. You can always check other gigs for inspiration. It's time to reveal the website we will be using to make money retouching photos without Photoshop or other complicated software. The website is called a makeup photo. This is a site that can retouch a photo for you in seconds, something that would take graphic designers in Photoshop several hours to complete. It's a 100% free platform, and you don't even have to register to be able to retouch a photo. This is the best platform to make money retouching photos. Well, once you get a photo from your client, you just come to this website and hit on Enhance Your Photo. You can upload a portrait photo from Facebook or just upload it from your computer. Let's try to retouch one photo that I found online. Once uploaded, we need to allow the tool some time to process the photo. You can choose the filters you want to use on the left side. Once you're happy with the results, simply click Save and Share. Then hit on Download, and that's it. You just need to submit the photo to your customer and get paid. When you're getting started, you might want to offer some extra services to overcome the competition. You can click here to go to Cartoon Photo, where you can convert your photos to cartoon. Offer that for free to get your free orders. And that's it for today. As always, if you enjoy this content and you'd like to see more, make sure to support my channel by giving this video a big thumbs up. If you want to keep up to date with all my future uploads, then click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow with another strategy on how to make money online.